Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm Chip, and in today's video we are going to be doing a skincare. So I'm super excited and I hope you are just interested and curious to see what type of skincare I'll be using. My voice cracked. So in today's video, I recently went to Sephora during their 21 Day of Beauty, and I went on a specific day that they were showcasing Mario Badescu, and the plan was just to get because it was buy one get one half off or free, something like that. So I was just gonna get a bottle and then another bottle, but when I was there I saw that they actually had a kit, and they have several kits, but I was interested in the Brightening Regimen Kit, which is right here, and this is a $38 package, and everything in here is valued at $50. So I was just curious, and I was like, I'd rather get a kit than just two random items. So I picked that up, and I thought I would share my first impressions with you guys. So if you're interested to see a brightening skincare kit in action, first impression, my skin getting cleansed, then stay tuned and let's jump into this video. Look at the Mario Badescu Brightening Kit. This is what it looks like, and it comes with 5 different items in here. Well, 4, and then you get a bonus item. So the first thing you get here is a cleansing foam, and then you get a cleansing lotion, a vitamin C serum, a whitening mask, and then the bonus is a glycolic skin renewal complex. So we'll definitely go through each and every item, and like I said, this is valued at $38, but the items in the box are a $50 value. And I think at the time when I picked this up, if you spent $35 or more on a Mario Badescu item, then you got a free skincare item, which is this item right here, and it comes in a really nice satchel type of bag. It's nice and quilted, and in this satchel you get some skincare items from Mario Badescu. So there's an enzyme cleansing gel, there is a cucumber lotion, you get a eye cream, and a facial cucumber green tea spray, which I have the full size of this and it is amazing, but I definitely wanted to save this little goodie bag, including the purse that it comes in, for a giveaway. So I was like, oh, that's cool, I get something and I get to share something with someone else. So I'm going to put this to the side, and yeah, so what I'm interested in trying is this Brightening Regimen Kit. So let's open it up and see what's inside. So this is a look at the items inside of the box. So everything is held in this really nice green cardboard packaging, which I think is really simplistic and fresh. I like skincare that doesn't do a lot of crazy colored packaging. Makes me gravitate towards it more. But yeah, so I'm interested to try these. So this does come with 3 items that are routine. So step 1, step 2, step 3, and then you have 1 item that you're supposed to use only twice a week, and then the bonus item. So let's go through this routine and let's see how it works and what I think about it. So starting with step 1, this is the Glycolic Foaming Cleanser. So this says to deep clean and refine to reveal a brighter, more even complexion. So the directions here: replace your regular cleanser 1 to 3 times a week, 1 to 2 times for dry to combination skin, 2 to 3 times for combination to oily skin. You want to massage onto wet skin using upward circular motions. Then rinse thoroughly with warm water. If product gets into eyes, rinse well with water. And the main ingredient in here is glycolic acid, and you have some other extracts as well. The overall feel of this cleanser is really, really nice. It feels very soft on my skin, and honestly the smell is so delightful. It's not strong at all. It smells really refreshing, and oh my gosh, I am loving the feel of this cleanser. It feels so smooth and refreshing on my skin right now. Okay, let me go wash it off and we'll move on to step 2. Moving on to step 2, this is the Alpha Grapefruit Cleansing Lotion. So this says to perk up lackluster skin and minimize the look of fine lines and discoloration. Directions: Use twice daily after cleansing. Apply to skin with a cotton pad or cotton ball. Wipe in sweeping upward motions until the cotton comes up clean. Avoid eye areas. If product gets into eyes, rinse well with water. And the main ingredient in this is grapefruit extract. Also has lemon extract, aloe vera, and linden extract. Okay, so the scent of this is so refreshing. So nice, and it definitely, I'm not getting grapefruit, but I am getting like an orange citrus type of smell. It is fantastic. It feels really refreshing. Okay, so yeah, so this is a really nice step, a really nice refreshing step after cleansing. So that is nice, and I think it picked up a little bit more of the dirt that the cleanser left behind, so that is nice as well. Okay, so let's move on to step 3. In step 3, this is the Vitamin C Serum. So this says to retexturize uneven skin tone and texture with this radiance-boosting serum. So the directions here say to apply 3 to 4 drops on clean skin, avoiding eye areas every other night. May be used alone or layered under moisturizer. The key ingredient, or the main ingredient, is vitamin C, and it also contains collagen and some ginseng extract and lavender oil, and also cucumber oil. Huh, okay, so this being an oil, honestly, it doesn't feel over oily. Like, even like looking at my fingertips right now, they're not any type of like super oil you would think when you're like, oh my gosh, I'm putting an oil on my face. So it definitely is soaking into the skin really nice, very quickly, and my skin feels really soft. That is, oh, that's nice. That is nice. Yeah, it definitely is giving like a nice subtle glow to my skin. I haven't, and obviously this is a first impression, so I'm trying this on for the first time with you, so I haven't like mixed this into any moisturizer, but the directions do say that I can, so maybe the next time that I put on a moisturizer, I will put that on, like for my nighttime routine. This feels nice. My skin does not feel sticky or tacky in any way, so that is nice. It just feels really smooth, really hydrated, and definitely like a really nice glow to it. That's nice. The smell, it's not intense. Nothing that I've tried so far is intense, which is a plus for my migraines. You guys know that I do suffer from really bad chronic migraines, so I try and stay away from things that will just like even give me the slightest bit of a headache. So the smell of this vitamin C serum is really, it's barely there. Like, it is barely there. I can't even get the lemon extract or anything else. So that's really nice. Like, something that doesn't have a smell, good. So that is a plus, and oh my gosh, my skin feels really nice right now. Okay, so with that, we've completed steps 1 to 3, which would be the items that I would use every day in the morning and even at night if I wanted to, but this kit also included 2 other items. Now, the next item is something that is advised only to use twice a week, and that is the whitening mask. Now, because I've already cleansed, I've already toned, and I've already put on my vitamin C serum, I'm not going to try this in today's video, but please stay tuned because I will give this a try when I do my next skincare video, and we'll definitely have a first impression of the whitening mask. But if I try this now, then I'd have to like wash everything off that I just put on, so I think that would just be like counterintuitive here. So yeah, so this is the whitening mask, and let's give this a smell. Oh, it does come sealed, which is nice. That's very considerate and just makes me feel like my product is sanitary. So let me show you, because it's kind of hard to see in the bottle, but this is what the mask color looks like. It's just like a white cream type of texture, and it feels really cooling on the back of my skin. It smells really nice. So this has... Okay, so this has licorice root extract. It has some olive leaf extract, vitamin E, grapeseed extract. So I think I'm smelling the licorice in here, but this is the, and it kind of dries down fast, but this is the mask. So again, you would just leave this on for 5 to 10 minutes and then rinse it off. But yes, because we've already done our kind of our routine, I will definitely put this to the side, but I will give this a try in my next skincare video, so stay tuned for that. And the bonus item in the kit is the Glycolic Skin Renewal Complex to nourish the skin with skin smoothing hydration, as powerful alpha hydroxy acids help soften the look of fine lines, wrinkles, and uneven skin tone. Directions: apply to face and neck after cleansing and toning, avoiding the eye area. May be used day and night. Key ingredients is glycolic acid, papaya extract, honey extract, and there is peanut oil in this. Okay, so this cream, so this came in a very, very small bottle. So I am definitely going to be a little bit more sparing when using this little guy. But it does also say that this is for skin C and D types. So I think that's combination and dry. Would want to use this cream. It smells, I don't know, I think I am getting like a nutty type of smell, but I mean, it's not overbearing. It's very thick. Like, it's a very thick type of cream, and I think I'm just used to like the Tatcha water cream or any type of water cream that just like soaks into the skin right away. I haven't used a cream in a while. Okay, so that completes the brightening skincare kit, the little regimen from Mario Badescu. So let's talk about the items. So first, the Glycolic Foaming Cleanser. I really did like. I love the way that it felt on my skin. It was really soft, really refreshing. For a type of cleanser, this would replace my Clean Bee Pharmacy, and I like it. It didn't strip my skin of any type of moisture, but it did leave my skin feeling really nice and clean, so I felt like it did a really good job. And for a morning cleanser, it brightened me up, like it woke me up, so that's really nice. And then moving on to step 2, which was the Alpha Grapefruit Cleansing Lotion. Now this is the first time that I've ever used a cleansing lotion, and I was kind of like, what? Like, what is this? And what I did notice is that the cleansing lotion helped remove just maybe some of the hidden or hard to remove dirt that the foaming cleanser left behind. So it was nice to kind of get like that double action and just really make sure that my skin was clean. And yeah, I liked it. The scent was really refreshing as well. I think all the scents in this kit really work together, so it's not like there's something that's odd or shouldn't be there. So as a follow-up to the cleanser, I think the lotion was a nice treat. And just to say the amount of products that you get in this kit, the cleansing is 2 fluid ounces and the lotion is also 2 fluid ounces. It's a nice amount for the price. So I don't think I'll be going through this like rapidly fast, but I will get to at least see if this kit does something for my skin before I run out of product. So that is also nice. And the last step, which is step 3 to the regimen, is this Vitamin C Serum, which you get 0.3 fluid ounces. And this is a drop bottle. I liked it. So this is my first time using a Vitamin C Serum and also using like a facial oil. I just have never used one, and I am pleasantly surprised. I thought that it really soaked in the skin really well. It didn't leave any type of oily residue, which is fantastic because I naturally produce enough oils for myself. Like, I can fry bacon on my face. Like, I have enough oils. So I didn't need any more, but I felt like this definitely provided some brightening, some hydration, and it didn't add any oils to my skin. First impression, I will definitely keep using this, and I will let you guys know my updates when we come back to try the other mask. And the last item, this was a bonus item, and this is the Glycolic Skin Renewal Complex, and this is a cream for combination and dry skin. Yeah, I mean, I wasn't like overly impressed with it. I think I really do, I'm spoiled. I think I'm just spoiled by the Tatcha water cream and the dewy skin cream. Like, they soak in such a way that just like blows my mind, and my skin just feels utterly amazing. So honestly, this, I would say for me, I wouldn't get a full size of this. this. I would kind of just pass on it. I do like steps 1, 2, 3. So yeah, I don't know. It felt okay. It smoothed out okay. My skin does still feel really soft, but I think just ending with the vitamin C serum would be good enough for me. And that completes this video. I really hope you enjoyed just trying out some new skincare with me, and let me know what you think of Mario Badescu as a company. Let me know what you think about the items that I tried down below, and yeah, what skincare items are you trying currently? Is there anything that I should be on the lookout for? And that is all I have, so I will see you guys in my next video. Bye. Mwah.